Everybody should join me over in this room because I cannot get into the other room and I cannot broadcast out of it. So everybody join me in this room, please. Join me in this room. Stream health. Stream health is not looking good. We are sitting and spinning. Oh, there we go. So now we have to technical difficulties today. Sunday. Now we're back on. Hello everyone. Hello. You guys hear okay? Can you see okay? Hello in YouTube land. Yeah, it's Sunday here, so the internet slow, very slow. All good, good. Everything is good. Yeah, the other channel or the other room I have set up, for some reason I can't access it with my camera, so I had to set up a live stream, a direct live stream. Hey Thomas, that was the guy that stopped by.
Thomas?
Yesterday or the other day?
I don't remember. I'm not good in names.
Yeah, he told me yesterday when I did a test that they were the ones that stopped by.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Jeff, New Jersey. We're doing good, Jeff. Very hot. Summer is here. You step out. If you're in air conditioning and you step out into the heat, it's like a wall of humidity hits you. And very hot. In and out okay now. Yeah, like I was saying, it's Sunday and everybody's home, everybody's using the internet, so that's the way it rolls here in the Philippines. Dave will be here in 6 weeks. Where are you going, Dave? Obviously the Philippines, but where are you staying? Configure. Yeah, see, we're a second. Oh. A little fuzzy, we can hear. I'm going to try to fix that fuzziness. Advanced settings. Yo, GR in the house.
I need my glasses.
Oh, she needs to get her glasses. She can't see too well. Yeah, Jeff, the car is finally fixed. It took about a week to get everything here and everything. You know, it just a matter of waiting for the part to come. So that was very interesting. Alright, hang on.
Hi.
Here, have a seat there, bud. It's the look show.
Oh my God. Hello, good morning everyone, good evening and good afternoon wherever you at. That's Sea Liberty. Say hello. Hello. No. See, hello, hello. Hello, Ate Shane from UK. Hey, Paul, come here, come here. Come here. How is singing Shane Yoki?
Singing she.
Oh, she in UK.
Singing she in UK.
Is it?
Yeah, I guess.
That's how you.
Yeah.
That's how you read it, right?
Yeah.
Hello,
We
hello
do our best
everyone.
to pronounce
Yeah.
the names right. So.
I try to pronounce the name perfectly, but you know. Ronald Shell from United States. Hello. Who's that?
Hello, Dennis McFarland.
Oh,
McFarland.
It's like he's one of his friends.
We have a friend back in the United
Oh,
States.
Sheila. Sheila from UK. Hello, Miss Sheila. How are you today?
We have a friend back in the United States. His last name is McFarland. I don't know what his first name is.
I don't know.
I was just call him McFarland. From the Bahamas. I was in the Bahamas.
Yeah, one of my friend name is Sheila also, so you get the same name to her. George Mesa. Hello from Miami. Bender and Labad.
It's nuts.
Oh, he said he stay in Quezon City.
Quezon City.
Yeah, we went Quezon City when we get what's that we get there?
The DJI
Yeah,
Mavic
the
Pro.
DJI.
I am GR from Pennsylvania.
Oh,
I know GR.
Whoa.
I personally know GR.
Who?
GR. Anne-Marie Clark.
Oh, okay. Did that?
Huh? Just somebody I knew from Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, thank you. It's just only in the camera, I think. I'm so pretty. You see that? Oh my God. Thank you. I'm just the second one. You're the most prettier. Brian Foley. Hi, Lot in the Sari store. Hello, Brian. How are you? Oh,
The weather still will be hot in June.
yeah.
It's what, coming almost towards the end of summer, but it's still hot.
Yeah, but they said Pag-asa said this year will have like a short term of summer, but boy, when you go outside, the sun is just bet you too bad. Dennis Brock.
Oh, Dennis from Cavite.
Hello,
Dennis
Mr. Dennis.
He has the sorry
store.
store.
Yeah. Who else?
Who's
Yeah, it is L&H Sari store.
Who's attending the store if you're at home? We're at the store. We're not at home.
Yeah. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sheila, for being endorser of Lot and Hannah Gray Sari store. We really appreciate it.
It's nuts.
Brian Foley, don't you miss the province? Yes, I do miss province because I live there and I raised there. So I miss them. I try to do like once a year, but this time because we just been there for like how many months, right?
Oh, it's
Like-
been over a year.
No, we've been in province 4. We lived there for like
Oh, we lived there
almost
for
four
4 to 6
months.
months,
So
something like that.
we're planning to go by next year,
Wow,
hopefully.
That's nuts.
Robert Bigna. Hi guys from Florida. Love your videos. Thank you, Robert, for loving our videos. We try to make best. Joke. Oh my god. My asawa trying to put me in camera all the time, but I'm not really a big talker. So sorry if I answer your question slowly. I still trying to figure it out how to talk in camera. God. See, come here, Pa, you help me. Dennis McFarland, you were a lot of Under Armour, sir. Oh, he likes that kind of brands.
Yeah, I loaded up on Under Armour clothes before I left come to the Philippines. So I have a ton of Under Armour clothes. Plus, if I need more, there's plenty of knockoff stores here to buy from.
Ed Carpenter.
Hey guys. Ed Carpenter,
Hey guys, from Fitwork, Texas.
Fort Worth, Texas.
Good to see you and love you guys. Thank you so much, Ed Carpenter. I never been Texas, but I wish I've been there. Oh, it is blue theme today. Are you
Yeah.
wearing blue? No, he's
it's actually
actually
black.
he's wearing black.
My hat is blue.
his hat is blue.
Rolling ship. I'm from Gettysburg. We were in Gettysburg. Look.
Yeah, I did. That's a very, very pretty place. It's
It's a nice place.
yeah, it's a nice place. I mean, wala pa yata akong ice lang eh. At tingnan ko.
Hello.
Hey, can you look top if there's an ice over there? I don't know how it is. Sheila, I don't know, but it's just been my habit now. Every time I do something, I just play your videos, continue. Oh, thank you so much, Sheila. We really appreciate it.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's got a little.
May ano pa, yung konting-konting tubig. Okay lang. Wala na yung kasalo.
Salo. Where's Casado Coke?
Sheila, down here. This one.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah. Ate Lot, what is your favorite perfume? 25, 328. Well, 28.
28.
Yeah. Actually, Sheila, I don't really like perfume. I just don't put perfume. I don't know. Cologne is fine for me, but I'm not a perfume person. Pit up.
Where your face is?
Up, yeah. No, my red horse is 40 pesos. Paid up. How come here? Why did you choose Angeles to live? Well, Angeles have everything. You don't need to go there, somewhere out there, you know. You have got everything. Restaurant, hospital, and there's variety in Angeles that people don't really know. So there's a lot of things you can do in Angeles.
Lord also has some family up here.
Yeah.
So, but it, you know what? It's. Of course, I didn't want to live in Mindanao. I never been to Cebu, so I don't know what that area is like. But this area up here has a lot to offer. There's a huge expat community up here. Health reasons, insurances. My insurance covers me in hospitals up here. We can hop on the airplane right here in Clark and be anywhere in the Philippines we want. And for that matter, we can even, you know, they're flying international flights in and out of Clark now. And it's cheaper to fly out of Clark now back to the States than it is to go to Manila, huh?
Oh, Cathay Pacific.
Yeah, because I fly Cathay Pacific, and they're flying in and out of here constantly. They even cut down the flights out of Manila with Cathay Pacific. But yeah, they have everything up here that we want. Yeah, it's not on the ocean, but you know what? I don't know if I want to live on the ocean with typhoons and everything like that. You know, I don't. At least up here, the only thing we got to kind of worry about is Pinatubo, and I think by the next time that explodes,
We're already dead.
well, yeah, we'll already be dead.
They said my volcano always explodes every 100 years. Well, we're out of 100 years, so I think we're already dead.
And Robert's right. Clark is growing. I mean, there's so much going on there now. There's so much construction going on. They have that water park up there now. It's supposed to be one of the biggest in Southeast Asia. It's. I mean, I drove by it. Have friends that actually went to it. Boards went to it, and
Right.
she says it's nice.
Yeah. Sheila asked me, or what do you like collecting or stuff that you like?
Huh?
Sheila.
Or what do you like
Yeah,
collecting?
because
for
she
stuff
asked me
that
if
you
I like perfume. I said I'm not a perfume person. Well, to be honest, I just like watch. That's all my habit.
She's a watch junkie.
Yeah, junk watch. I always feel like watch is very important. You know, wherever I go, I need to see the time.
Rusty, no, we've never been to 100 Islands. That's on the to-do list. Our next trip is going to be to what? What is it? Put?
Pundakit.
No,
No. Siargao. Putipot.
Putiput.
Yeah, Putipot in Subic.
Yeah, it's in Zambales. It's a small island, and you take boats out to it. And what? You stay overnight there in tents?
Yeah, because you can't bring your own tent because you need to rent their own tent. Yeah, but that's our next next list. Sheila said Brian is from Pennsylvania and Atelot is from Mindanao. They choose Pampanga because, like Kuya Brian said, it's hug expat community. Yeah, you're right. Because when I bring Brian in Mindanao, I'm the only one he can talk. Or sometimes my brother, you know, there's not a lot of people going to talk their language. It's not a lot of people talk English so good, so he can communicate a lot of person, even though he likes to do it.
Closest I will come is going to Fuji. GR, you hop on that plane and get over here to the Philippines.
Yeah, I like watches, Stella. I don't know, but that's all I like in my, you know, material things. Claus, Anna Marie. Oh, Fuji. Where's Fuji?
Fuji Islands.
Where's that?
Fuji Islands is I don't know. I forget.
Robert Vigna. Lot, are you teaching Brian any Bisaya? Well, he knows some Bisaya words. It's like quite little.
Little bit.
Yeah.
Little bit. Learning here and there.
Guapa, guapo. Mayong buntag.
Maganda no maga. Pabili po.
Yeah, that's Tagalog.
Oh, that's Tagalog.
George, my wife visited Clark Airport base in 1984 with her friend. Her dad was the best shot for Salvation Army. Thank you for thank you for the service, sir. Javon Williams.
Huh?
This one.
Javon Williams. I vacationed in the Bahamas.
You
Twice.
did?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah. Where was I at? Nassau.
NASA.
I was actually down there while they were building Atlantis the first time, and then the second time I went down, Atlantis was already built.
Steve.
Hey Eric, good morning.
Hannah Grace was still sleeping. She's up sir right now because last night we sleep kinda late. For some reason it's hot even at night. And also it's like Saturday and Friday I close late.
Javon William, when was I in the Bahamas? Oh, probably, how long am 50, 30, maybe 20 years ago. Yeah, 20 years, give or take, somewhere around there, 15, 20.
Si Dennis McFarland, big tasty
Tasty
cake
cake.
fan also. Good vibes. Hello from Las Vegas. Oh, he was Jevon
Japan.
when Abaco. That's
Abaco.
also Jamaica.
Bahamas, somewhere in the
Bahamas.
Bahamas. Rusty is coming to the Philippines in July for 3 weeks vacation. Where are you staying, Rusty? Like what area? You going to be roaming around, or are you going to just stay in one area?
JJJ. Oh, JJJ, my wife from Dumaguete. We plan on moving back there next year. Well, JJ, good luck for the future. I never been to Dumaguete. I've been where would we been? Lapu-Lapu. Oh no, we've been Mactan, the airport. Airport in Cebu.
Is Palawan a good site? But we'll be there in Angeles.
Palawan.
Palawan.
Yeah, Palawan is pretty. But there's, as I said, I don't know, it depends people how you look, you know, it depends. Maybe sometimes you like this place is beautiful for you, but for me it's not, you know. It's all depends to us.
Well, now that Boracay shut down, they shut Boracay down for 6 months to clean it up. There was issues and problems with environmental issues down there, and Duterte shut it down, and he said clean it up. So that shut down. So I guess other areas of the Philippines now will be more visited. More people go to different areas.
I forgot where where some people was already booked from Boracay, but I think they transferred to the other place. I forgot where is that, but I'd seen that in some of the site or like a video in YouTube. But it's very, very pretty nice place.
How fed up? How is Hannah Grace doing in school?
Well, she's doing very, very good. She's doing very, very good. That last time she get the honor roll, she keep up with some of her classmates. She's doing good. So Sheila, I suggested one of my friends to go to Palawan. They were skeptical about it, but after they saw it, they don't wanna come back here in the UK. Well, they said Palawan is very, very nice. Like I've been there, but I think the time we went there is like it's a summer, so there's a lot of tourists. Because I don't know, maybe if I go somewhere, I'm not really big fans of crowded place, because you know I like some little quiet. But they said some of the place in like Palawan, there's a lot of place in Palawan that people don't really knows about yet. But they said it's quiet and beautiful. But we went to the place, it's just tourist spot. Eric De La Cruz, Palawan is the #1 tourist destination next year and this year. Yeah, Palawan is the #1. Good vibes. Live inside Oasis compound, early 80s and mountain views. Oh, you live in mountain views. We went Mountain View, right?
Mountain View.
No, Mountain View. Yeah, we walked there. Also, I know Oasis because we always drove by that in the car. Oasis near from Clarkton also.
See, GR. What?
Marlboro Blue. Ilan lang? Huh? Yeah, 5 lang. Anna Marie Clark, you both take care. I'm out. Waves, goodbyes, T-call. Oh, thank you so much for stopping by, Anna Marie Clark. Good vibes. Planning on going back to Philippines next year. Good vibes. See you next year. Gordon Blanchard. What other YouTube do you like to watch? Huh? Yeah. I just left that one. Don't worry about it. I'm the only one watching it. Gordon Blanchard. What other YouTube do you like to watch? Well, I like to watch documentary. There's like Cara David. That's the one I always like to watch, except also this person here.
So what other YouTubers do you like to watch?
Documentary. That's also on YouTube.
No, YouTubers.
Oh, YouTuber.
You don't really watch any YouTubers.
No. I only like to watch documentary. I like history, so I always like to watch like different kind of culture. YouTuber, Brian, Tak. Who else? Not really.
You don't really watch YouTubers too much.
Sheila Atilot, what watch are you wearing, if you don't mind me asking? Oh shit. I don't also.
What watch are you wearing?
Casio. This watch is Hannah Grace and Brian Geff last
Christmas.
Christmas, yes.
Hope Cigarettes. Never even heard of them here. You ever hear of Hope Cigarettes?
Yeah. Robert Vigna. Do you sell Hope Cigarettes? I don't smoke any longer, but they was my brand in 1970s. Yes, but Hope Cigarettes is only exist in province because that's cheapest. Most here they always like Marlboro, Fortune, Winston. It seems like that. But I see there's a lot of different kind of type in cigarette, but that's also province mostly. It comes to cheapest, like very cheap. Oh, see, Sheila knows Eyewitness that I always carried. Yeah, I like Eyewitness, but Cara David is my favorite documentary. Oh, good vibes. I like that too. Hello, Stephen Pricey. Hello from the UK. Here it's thunder, but nothing like there when I was in Angeles 2010. Hope you are all okay. We are very fine. Is it thunder in UK right now?
I don't know. I'm not in the UK.
Yeah. Do you have thunder in US?
Well, sure. We had thunder and lightning.
Did I experience it?
I'm sure you did.
Oh, I don't remember. It's still snow. It's snow in UK. Rusty Hick. Have you tried the tourist attraction in Clark? Was wondering when do you golf and Rusty Hick. Have you tried the tourist attraction in Clark? Was wondering Brian, do you golf and the courses there are from previous military base?
No, I don't golf.
No, he don't.
The only thing I do is drive by the golf courses.
Alan said, I like watching German become Filipino. Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I know him.
Tornadoes. You know what? There's no tornadoes here. Only typhoons.
Well, I've never seen tornado yet in my life since 30 years now, or 33 years, so I don't know. You can start watching my channel if you like to see me disturbing my neighbor by singing. Yeah. I like to watch like that kind of thing. Sometimes I always disturb my neighbor too, if I'm in the mood.
You don't really disturb the neighbors because everybody
everybody
deals with
likes
it. People want to sing karaoke or videoke, they just sing it. You want to turn up your radio, you turn up your radio. Of course, you got the roosters, you got loud motorbikes going by. It's bad here now. Over where we live, at our apartment over there, it's quieter. You don't have the loud motorbikes, and you don't have, the videoke and the loud roosters. It's just quiet over there compared to over here. You're in here. You're living with a lot of the local Filipino people here. There's not many foreigners in this area. You see a few. I've seen a few here walking by, driving by. I've even seen a few sitting outside, you know, on their porch or sitting in a chair. But there's not many foreigners over here. And to be honest with you, nobody bothers you over here. You know, it's like everything else. If you treat people with respect here, they're going to treat you with respect back. Of course, there is people here that, you know, are bad people, but they're bad people everywhere. But this area right here, the people just, they seem to look out for everybody. They keep their eye on everything. I mean, even at night, you get a few people drinking, but it's not crazy, you know. Even during Holy Week, come nighttime, aside from the pabasa, you know, people were in their houses, sleeping or whatever. So it's different over here than where our apartment is. Over where our apartment is, a lot of expats over there. So it's a huge area with expats living in that area.
Nicolas, do you think you ever just build a house in Angeles or your province? Well, Nicolas, my province, I'm not sure about it. Houses here, hopefully one day. I'm kind of pro, just take it easy. Take it easy.
John Hagon. The lot next door to us, they cleared it out and they're building apartments here. I think they're building, last time I was told, like, I don't know how many apartments, but it's all going to be apartments in there.
Yeah.
Robert says the Holy Week videos were eye-opening. Yes, you know what? The first time I seen it, I was, you know, pretty much in awe, just taking it all in, and, you know, just seeing how, you know, how it is here. Now that's only up in Pampanga that they do all that.
No, they also do that in Manila, Caloocan, I think.
But it's not done all over the Philippines. As a matter of fact, the Catholic Church discourages it. But it's something that's done up in this area, and it's done a lot. In San Fernando, they have a really big reenactment, and a lot of tourists go there to see it. And they actually nail somebody to the cross. They do it here in Angeles also, but it's a really big display up in down in San Fernando, and they just do it, and it's a big tourist attraction. A lot of people come from all over to witness it.
What is Shelly say? Kuya Brian, let me share something. In the UK, houses are close to each other. Even sometimes you share the same wall. Oh, same wall, so they can hear easily if you turn your TV volume quite a bit high. I see that also in US. There's like a house that's like close, right? What's that called?
What do you mean?
Like I said, when it's the houses like close, like they're close to each other. Like remember the time when we passed by? I don't remember where we went that time.
Row homes.
Yeah, I'd see that kind of houses.
Townhomes, row homes.
Yeah.
Yeah, holy butt whooping week. That's the first time I ever seen that. I've seen all the other stuff, but that was actually the first time I seen that guy get his butt whooped. And I think that's only here.
Yeah.
Like here.
In home site.
In home site, yeah. Yeah, because I asked somebody and they said, nah, that's just something they do right here in home site.
Yeah, they're just like, that's how I get the free whipping. Free, like, what's the person tell you?
Ass whooping.
Yeah. If they easily hear me.
What's that?
Sheila said, distance house or row house.
Yeah,
they
town.
easily hear me and they knock the door. I'm so mad. Now here, you can't knock the door, shit. Because when you knock the door, if they're singing karaoke, they don't really care.
They'll invite you in to sing.
They invite you to sing and drink.
How far is Clark Airport from here? Maybe a 20-minute ride, something like that, with traffic.
What? Bleh.
How do you deal with traffic and no lights to let you in and out?
Patient.
Patience. And everybody just deals with it.
Yeah.
Everybody kind of just, if you got to turn left, turn right, merge in, people just stop, they let you in. It's not that difficult. It's just you got to constantly watch because people will be coming in from the left side, the right side. You got to watch if you go around someone because motorbikes will come up your right side. So you always got to watch your mirrors. You got to always look. People drive out in front of you, and you're not going really that fast to where you can't stop. You just stop. I mean, you got enough time to stop.
Ricky, ano lang? Ilan?
Huh?
Marlboro Black. Ricky, hello from Toronto, Canada. Is it Toronto and where we at before, Pao? Falls? Where? No, over there. Si Sheila. Yeah. Magkano lang? Ilan? 4? 4. I know, right? But here in our country, we don't care. We're having fun. Yeah, but sometimes it's too much fun also when it comes to like the time that when they get karaoke. Supposed to they will turn off by 10, but some people they're like 12 or 3 o'clock. It's not really good idea. Edwin McDonald, is the brownout getting better in the Philippines or still the same? Well, actually, where we live right now in Malabañas, we only experienced like twice. Twice, I think. But over here, couple da. Michael Larson, you two are doing very good job. Thank you, Michael Larson. Sheila, I like to buy you that, but it is hard me since it cash on delivery and I don't have bank open in the Manila. You know what, She? It doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. But thank you so much for offering that one. But I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Yeah, Niagara Falls. Yeah, we went there. We went there one time. That's very, very pretty.
And they held you at the border.
Yeah, they hold me at the border. I have a very, very bad experience when it comes, when we enter Canada first time. Because I really, really need to pee at the time. I told him, hey, I want to pee. No, you see. But they need to check our car too long. They don't let me pee first. Island style. For life as a province. Huh? As a province, ikaw. That's Bisaya. I came from Mindanao. You know where's Mindanao? I was in like very, very small island.
Small island?
No, but I live in a small barangay. I live in a small barangay. My city belongs to Tandag City, Chemidori. My San Miguel is 30 pesos. Over here. Oy?
That's a bargain.
Yeah, that's a bargain anyway. Rusty, heck. Have you been to Negrito Village? Which used to be a good backside of Clark. No, I can't read too fast. Hey, Lot, any plans to have another baby? A baby brother or a sister? Well, let's see.
Eduardo, your 13A video fell somewhat short on information. You know what? The thing is, there's so many videos out there, the do-it videos I call, or know-how videos, and I didn't want to get into the whole entire processing of the 13A, because there's guys out there that have done the processing of the 13A and explained it step by step. Same way with traveling in the Philippines, renewing visas in the Philippines. There's so many people that have done it and are continuing to do it and explain everything. And for real, all we did was we used a travel agent and they did everything. So we gave them all our information, basically our marriage certificate, our visa, and Lut's birth certificate. And then when it came to filling out all that information and submitting all that information, they handled everything. All we did was go in and sign our name to their to the documents, and then follow what they told us to follow. Even with my MBI clearance, they did everything for me. So the fine details of it and how to fill it out and send it in and do it online, I paid them to do all that. Because you start that process, you make one mistake, and you can go from a 2-month process to a 6-month process just by making one mistake on the paperwork. So I allowed them to do everything.
Yes. George Miza. I was born in Cuba. My grandparents are from Spain. Oh.
JJJ. From start to finish, 3 months. It'll take 3 months. You get the MBI clearance. That takes almost a month to get back. And then you get your appointment down in Manila for your interview, and about a month and a half till you get all that back. So anywhere from 2.5 months to 3 months.
Robert Vigna, you guys are the only one with the sari-sari store. Actually, that's not really true, because there's a lot, every corner there's always have a store. A lot of store.
Yeah.
1 peso back in 1980s.
Oh, the peso rate, U.S. dollar.
Peso rate back.
Right now the peso rate is 51.90.
51.90.
Yeah, right now the peso rate is 51.90.
I'm not.
Yeah, vlogger. He means vlogger. We're the only ones vloggers with a sari store.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Are you?
I don't know of anybody else with a sari store that's
I'm
a
not
vlogger.
sure. How much is your rent? Oh.
Our rent here? Our rent here is 6,000 peso.
This store, yeah,
This
it's
store.
6,000 pesos.
And our rent over where we live is 12,000. Now that's unfurnished.
Yeah.
But we're looking for another place over around this area. Did they tear down? No. No, they did not tear down the Clark
That's
Hospital.
a false information.
Yeah. I was given false information along with a lot of other people that were given false information. And the rumor was started by a few of the guards that are that stay out there and watch the place. So no, it was not tore down, but it is up on the purchase. It is up for purchase, but as of now, I was told there's no bidders. And do you really want to build a building or a structure on what they say is a haunted hospital?
Yeah. Do you have to sign, or Ray, do you have to sign a 1 year less? Yes. Here, everywhere you go renting, you always need to sign a year contract.
Most places make you sign a year
enough.
rent. Other places, sometimes if they're furnished a place, if you're lucky, you can get month to month, but usually they want at least 6 months.
Cost your child Hannah Grace in school? Well, I forgot how much I paid Anna Grace. I think it's 300 bucks a year.
Tuition's 1,500 pesos
No, this
a month.
time they raise 100 peso.
So it'll be 1,600 pesos for this
Yeah,
upcoming
shit.
year.
6,000 in the store and 12,000 over there in our house, in our other apartment. Ano yun lang?
Huh?
Yakult. I've been looking for a house near in Clark. Edwin McDonald. I've been looking for a house near in Clark. Well, just 10. Just keep looking.
One?
I don't know if there's a lot. There's like 2. Dalawang Yakult, no? 7.
Huh?
7. That's 21 plus 20. It's gonna be 41. Because that's 2. 2 Yakult. Bungol. You see, because I watch the video too much.
Alright,
Thank you for watching. Chill all the time. 10, 10, 21, 41 pao. 1. Yeah, 41. You know, Shia, I tried to ask like one of the worker when you said that one of your friend was, huh? Milo pao. 7. There, the green one. The one who sold rice. Huh? How much is? Yeah. Ray. Ray, would it be cheaper to live in pensioner house pay by the month? Well, I'm not sure because I don't live in the penthouse. Good vibes, that's not bad. Do they sell houses or condo inside of Clark? I don't know. I think they sell condo inside of Clark, but I'm not really sure. But houses, because we're trying to check it out, I don't think they sell it.
Well, if you wait, you'll have plenty of
I think where in the green, yeah. I think after the Bell, the Green City, there's a lot of things that's going on over there, so they will sell a lot of things. Rustic, I enjoy your videos and really nice. Wow, it's very fast. I can't read.
What's wrong?
Oh, this is just like the comment is keep going.
Where?
Here.
I enjoy videos and me
Oh,
reminiscing
it was
about when I
like
was
before,
like
nice and slow. Nickram FFS, do you miss Mindanao? Yeah, I miss Mindanao. I always miss that place. It's quiet and peaceful. Edwin Macdo, remember Yakult, the stuff is awesome. Yeah, they said you need to drink that one Yakult a day. It's help your belly to digest some.
Fed up. Why is it the Philippines will not let you open a bank account if you're not a resident? Although I heard if you find a small bank, you can. That's not true. If you have, what they want you to have is a ERI
card. Oh, that you have.
Yeah, an I card. They call it an I card. If you have an I card, they'll allow you to open up a bank account here in the Philippines. You get your I card 90 days when you renew it, your visa at the 90-day point. Yeah, but you need, once you get your iCard, you can open a bank account. I did it with my iCard, and other people do it here all the time. But you do need that iCard. Ray, yeah, it's about $220 a month. 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen area, and a wet kitchen. So yeah, $220, and that's unfurnished. We furnished it. There's other apartments you can find cheaper, different areas. explain an I-card. An I-card is something they require you to get here. Like I said, after 90 days, it's mandatory. When you renew your visa, if you're here on a visitor's visa, what an I-card is, it's like your identification card, and it tells you on the I-card what your status is here. Like mine will be a 13A, a permanent resident visa. It has your ID on it, and your photo on it, your address on it. Yeah, it's mandatory. You can't get around it. If you extend past 90 days, it's part of your your process of extending. Forget IR.
You forgot.
Yeah, well, we call it an I-card.
Yeah. Where's the ID that you have that before?
So as a tourist, you can get an I-card. Yes, you. Like I said, after 90 days, if you're here over 90 days, in the process of extending your visa here as a tourist, you automatically get that.
Edwin McDonald, if you are a dual citizen, could I just use my passport? Canton, anong flavor?
You handle it. Business is picking up, so. So after 90, is it okay then? Does your ATM card work here? You know what? Your United States ATM card will work here. The only problem is your bank might hit you up for a lot of fees. They might hit you with, because I was using it, and not only did the Philippine bank charge me for using it, plus my bank charged me for using it. And there's so many different ways and so many different things when it comes to using different bank cards here in the Philippines. I don't use my bank card anymore. We have a bank account here, and we have bank ATM cards. So any money I use, I withdraw from my bank account that we have set up here. Every month I turn around and I write a check, and I deposit a check into the bank account here. It takes 27 days for my check to clear BPI, but that's how I have it set up here. You know, other people use different other ways, MoneyGram, what else? Zoom, PayPal, but the thing is with those, you might not get the exact exchange rate, and then those companies will charge you for their services. This is the easiest way that I found that I do to get the most out of, the most bang for my buck.
Si Eric De La Cruz pa.
Huh?
Where is that? Oh no. That.
Oh, he's talking to somebody else.
Oh.
You can use your PI passport in a bank. I think he was talking about dual citizenship.
Dual citizen. Yes, if you have dual citizen, you don't have any problem.
Yeah, you have no problem. Charge for the check. You know what? They charged me $5 to process my check, and that's something they just started about a year ago. Before they didn't charge anything. Now they're charging, but still. When I write my check, I have a peso account and I have a US dollar account, and then I just write my check to the US dollar bank account I have here, and then just withdraw the cash and then go out and get the best exchange rate I can find. No, my bank doesn't charge in the US. Only BPI charges.
Hey Sheila, I'd like to hear you sing one day.
JJJ, you are correct. If you enter on a balikbayan, you are good for 1 year here. You never have to extend your visa or anything like that. It's good for a year. And that's what I did. I was here for the year, and then I think 3 months before, 4 months before my public buy-on visa stamp was ready to run out. That's when I applied for my 13A. John M. Are retired from U.S. Yes, I'm retired from the U.S.
Oh, there's like Aussie J. Hi Brian, lot. Hope you both doing well. Heavy rain here in Australia. Today. Well, sometimes I just like to have rain, but today it's very, very hot over here.
Yeah, but the sun's not out, so that's a good thing. The clouds are in the sky. It's when the sun comes out that makes it so hot. If there's cloudy, it's not as hot, but it's still very humid. Ex-military? No, I work for the state of Pennsylvania. How did you retire? You're younger than me. I just took my retirement from the state. I bought back some military time and retired. I mean, I could have stayed back in the States and kept working, but decided to come here to the Philippines. I could come here and live a halfway decent life, or stay back in the States and, you know, work like a nut and work till I'm about 80. But yeah, I mean, we got our store open now, so this is work. We're always here all the time. Steelers fan? No, I'm not a Steelers fan. I'm actually a Cowboys fan.
Ex-Army hair. Good vibes. Thank you for your service.
There's a lot of ex-military people that are retired over here. Quite a few guys I know that are over here that are retired. Seems to be a place, you know, where people come and they can live on their military pension. Yes, I was military.
Reserve?
Army Reserve. 6 years Army Reserve. And then working for civil service, they allow you to buy back so much of your military time. Is Angeles City better than Cebu for meeting women? Well, Ray, I don't know. It all depends on what you interpret meeting women. Alright guys, you know what? I think I'm going to call this one. The internet seems to be hanging now.
Yeah.
Seems to be an issue going on. Like I said, it's Sunday and it's actually 10 o'clock, so more people are waking up, more people are getting on the internet, and it's bogging down the system, which is, you know, typical here. So anyways guys, we're going to call this one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And those, you know what, thanks again a lot, or thanks a lot again for everybody's get well wishes. You know what, being sick here does suck, but anyways, on the road to recovery, and gonna deal with this heat today, and what else,
and keep calm.
That's about it. So
yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
All right, guys. We'll talk to you next time.